Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to tell you how you can send photos and messages to friends and share great moments with them. For that, open your message. Now click the contact you want to send photos. Now click on the photo icon at the left bottom corner. Now click the photo you want to send and tap on send. Oops, I think the package is over, so it's not delivered. So that's how you send something to your friends. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more updates.